Don't reinvent the wheel, unraveling common English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, don't reinvent the wheel. This idiom is a treasure trove in the English language, rich in meaning and history. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English idioms, you're in the right place. Let's unfold the layers behind this expression and see how it's used in everyday English. The phrase, "Don't reinvent the wheel," is an idiom that suggests it is unnecessary to duplicate a basic method that has already been created or optimized. It's like saying, don't waste time creating something that already exists. The wheel, one of the oldest and most fundamental inventions in human history, represents something that doesn't need improvement or alteration. Understanding the origin of idioms can be just as important as their meanings. The phrase, "Don't reinvent the wheel," originates from the fact that the wheel is an ancient invention, a cornerstone in the development of human civilization. It's a metaphor for not wasting time on something that's already been perfected. This idiom is commonly used in various contexts, especially in business and technology. For example, if someone is trying to develop a new process at work, but a good system already exists, a colleague might say, "Let's not reinvent the wheel." It's used to encourage efficiency and to remind us to build upon existing ideas rather than starting from scratch unnecessarily. Let's see how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. When designing the new software, the team was advised not to reinvent the wheel. 2. In writing her book, she didn't reinvent the wheel, she used a well-known structure. These examples show how the phrase is seamlessly incorporated into different scenarios. Thank you for joining me in exploring the idiom, "Don't reinvent the wheel." Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insights into the cultural aspects of the English language. Keep learning and using new idioms, and you'll be wheeling your way through English conversations with ease. See you in the next video.